One of the most inviting locations for a leisurely day by the sea is Barcelona's Port Vell, also known as the Old Port. It was completely redesigned for the 1992 Summer Olympics and is ideal for a stroll, family time, or social gatherings with friends. The port has a bit of everything to offer: sports, strolls, shopping, fine dining, museum visits, and so forth. The Locha del Mar, the former grain exchange building, the Columbus Monument, and the Royal Shipyards are just a few of the interesting locations that can be found in Port Vell. The perimeter of Port Vell meets Les Rambles and the Columbus Monument. The Port Authority building and the Museum of Catalan History are both located within Port Vell. On the other hand, you will have to go in the direction of the sea if you wish to explore the Port Vell recreation area. The Maremagnum shopping center, which houses the aquarium and an IMAX cinema in addition to a variety of eateries, cafes, theaters, stores, bars, and nightclubs, provides plenty of entertainment options in Port Vell. A leisurely walk around the region is very enticing because it features garden areas and places to unwind and have fun. An interesting way to experience Port Vell is by hiring one of these unique boats which allow you to explore the port in a delightful and comfortable way, set to the soundtrack of the boat's onboard music. The double-decker boats known as golondrinas are a key element of Barcelona's identity. Each one has its own name, and the excursion takes 40 minutes. The point of departure is the jetty behind the Columbus Monument, and tickets cost €7.70, €7.70 for adults, and €2.80, €2.80 for children. Along the tourist route, you will be able to see Maremagnum, the Porta d'Europa Bascule Bridge, the Clock Tower, an old lighthouse from the reign of Charles III, and the spectacular Siderop-Lloyd sculpture, all from a new perspective. The boat trip provides excellent views of Montjuic Hill and the castle, the famous W Hotel, and the Marina, where small private boats are moored. You'll also be able to see the luxury cruise liners that dock at the Port of Barcelona, considered the world's fourth busiest cruise port in terms of traffic.
Un'altra cabina?
No pitará, venga.
Hola. Paella. Pang ano?